Hey everybody, I'm Joey Wargachuk and this is my Tarot and Crystal Guidance video for May the 14th to the 20th. I don't know about you, but I'm super excited to see what the upcoming future has to offer. And Snaps is having a nap because I gave him awesome, cute, delicious treats. So let's give the cards a really good shuffle and set the intention that the upcoming week is going to be filled with love, light, excitement, and good fortune, and a lot of release, a lot of positive transformation. Because I don't know about you, but I would like to take my life by the horns and transform it. So Monday the 14th, we've definitely got the 5 of Wands, which means dealing with the feeling of being stuck in your life purpose and dealing with our wanting, though all of us wants to kind of, take the lead and be in charge of our jobs and our career. And when working with teams and other people, sometimes we have to compromise, which means the only way to get unstuck with our life purpose, which means we have to compromise with other people and let sometimes, even though we might be right, we might have to let other people take the lead. So compromise to get unstuck in your life purpose or your career or your job. Very, very important. So the crystal card for the Monday is, I love this card. It's Amethyst. Amethyst is the gateway crystal for every crystal healer and energy worker. It connects and expands your consciousness, opens your third eye. It's a crystal of spirituality and intuition, and it strengthens spirituality, psychic powers, and dream recollection. And it's like, how often do I connect to higher source? Think about that. Think about, are you connecting to your superpowers? Are you being your super self? Are you connecting to your highest, best version of you? Are you connecting to your intuition? Are you expanding your consciousness and thinking about things from other perspectives, other realities, other dimensions, other points of view? Are you being relative to the reality that you're in and being, open to change and growth? Really, like, Amethyst really expands your consciousness, which really kind of allows you to become more spiritual, more intuitive. What's really wonderful about Amethyst is it's a sobriety stone because it releases negative patterns and releases bad habits that get us stuck. So it allows us to become more transformational and let go of the things that no longer serve us. So Tuesday the 15th, the tarot card is... I love it. After working with Amethyst, we are definitely going to have the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is the 10th card in the Major Arcana, and it is about karmatic fortune. It means if things are going really good, you better be paying it forward. You better be showing gratitude. You better be doing good things and giving charity and really kind of being thankful for the positive things that are going on in your life. And if things are going, because if you don't do all the good things while things are going good, bad things will happen. See the little devil? It's going to roll up to the top if you're not being karmatic. But if things are going really bad in your life, it does tell us that things will change. Good things will happen to you. Don't be negative. If you're in a bad situation, when you're victimizing yourself, you are bringing more negative energy into your life. You need to bring more positive energy into your life. You need to be positive, and you need to think of good fortune and good things are coming to you in ways that you can't even imagine. And be excited that miracles do happen to people who believe in miracles. Yeah. So the crystal card for Tuesday the 15th is Selenite. And Selenite is about cleansing and clearing, and it's connected to our crown chakra, which connects us to the universe, and it clears auras, rooms, and other crystals and connects you to your spirit guides. And the question it brings into point is, what is time to let go of? So what do you need to let go of in order to be the perfect version of you? What do you have to clear out of? What do you have to balance? What do you have to clear out of your house? It's like May, so it's time to spring clean your home, your life, yourself. Get rid of the things that don't serve you anymore and start clean and fresh and clear. Woo! So Wednesday, the 16th, is the Tower. It is about sudden insight, realization, understanding. So after you've cleared your chakras, cleared your house, cleared your life, you're going to realize that all the things that you thought were important don't matter anymore. You're going to be hit with lightning! And lightning is, this insight and understanding is the path of excess, like doing things really too much and too extravagantly, leads to the Tower of Wisdom. And the Tower of Wisdom is when you get up there to the top of the tower, which is the way you live your life, and you realize and see the world for what it is, when everything comes crashing down, and when you have this realization, when you something that isn't working anymore, and you're saying it never mattered to begin with, when you let that go, you realize you're the last person standing, and you can go out into the world and you can live your life in a new way, starting fresh from scratch, and it's fantastic and wonderful. So the tower means that it's like crashing down all the things that don't serve you anymore and starting fresh. Wednesday the 16th is about starting fresh, and the crystal card is Chrysocolla. It's all about your throat chakra, which is about expression, and it censors your voice, calms your emotions, makes it easier to see clearly and to feel loving detachment. What are you too emotionally attached to? So the things that you're emotionally attached to are the things that you need to let go, and the Tower really points that out. You need to let go of the things that you think are super important, but they're not important to the other people that are around you or really don't have any kind of value. And you need to express yourself in a very positive way, and you need to be communicate to people and allow yourself to detach and not get involved and sucked into other people's drama. It is so very important. So Thursday the 17th, the tarot card is the Knight of Cups. Everybody needs a little bit of romance, and that love them and leave them attitude of the Knight of Cups is sometimes a good thing. It definitely means that a tryst or an affair or a kind of like a happenstance meet with like somebody who's really going to drive you wild and press all your buttons and give you that like, oh my God, magic on the dance floor, fireworks, lightning bolts, like, you know, being hit with Cupid's arrow, but then they're going to run off, and it's just basically two ships passing in the night. I'm excited to hear what your little affair is going to be on Thursday. Sometimes you just need a little bit of romance and fun, and that's all it is. It isn't going to develop into true love or a partnership or the Two of Cups. It's going to just be fun, and you need to have a little bit of romantic and emotional fun with somebody who is just in the same position, and we're all both two, and as long as you're two consenting adults, it's okay, and it is what it is. So just go with the flow on Thursday. And the crystal card to coincide with the Knight of Cups is Black Tourmaline, which is about grounding, EMF protection, and it's about your root chakra, and it's about your physical body, and it's about provide sense of security by absorbing negativity and electromagnetic energy. Everybody doesn't think about all the electromagnetic pollution and all the energetic pollution that's in our environment. We think about the water pollution, food pollution, air pollution, but we don't think about the energy pollution. And because of Wi-Fi and our smartphones and microwaves and satellite signals, we're filled with all this irradiated energy that is affecting us. So is it time to change the energy of your living and working environment? So think about the energy you're being exposed to at work. Think about the energy that you're being exposed to on your commute. About a year and a half ago, almost 2 years ago, I decided that I was going to move closer to my work area, and that I would only walk to work, and that I would cut out the TTC. I haven't been on the TTC in almost a year and a half, and I feel like my energy has become more positive. I feel more grounded. I feel really good about myself, and I feel like by cutting out the commute and making the commute a walk through, you know, Christie Pitts, along Boar, sometimes along College, it has given me the energy and the fun. I love the neighborhood I get to walk through every day, and I don't feel stressed out or upset or exposed to a lot of other people's negative energy, or the negative energy of being underground with a bunch of, like, you know, really kind of hostile people. So the thing is, it's like, think about where you can change the energy, or you can cut out the energy that you're being exposed to that is affecting you. By cutting out my commute from the TTC, I felt like I raised my vibration by 1,000%, and it was amazing. So Friday the 18th, the tarot card is another knight, and this is all about opportunities. Knight of Wands means an opportunity. Someone is going to come along who is going to set you on fire. Someone is going to inspire you, and they're going to drag you along for the ride. And it has to do with your life purpose and something you're going to be very passionate about and something you're very interested in. And they're going to be like, you know what? I can show you everything that I do, and this is amazing. You have to come with me. And they're going to be super infectious and super positive about and have a super lust for life. And they're going to inspire you so much. And they're going to become your BFF, but they're also going to kick your ass, and they're going to make you the best person in maybe your career or your hobby, or they're going to just be someone who's going to raise your like level in something that you're really passionate about, from like novice to advanced in a very short time. So Friday is, you're going to meet that person. Maybe it's at a meetup or a park or a social gathering or an event, that this person is the person who is going to really bring you towards your life purpose. I'm really excited to find out who that person is. So the crystal card that corresponds with that is one of my favorite crystals, ruby, and it is connected to your root chakra, and it is all about physical wealth. It's about the things that you hold and that you build up in your life, and it strengthens the root chakra, increases energy for wealth, physical well-being, and relationships. And it's about, and the question it brings into point, which is wonderful about ruby, is can you put more energy towards your passions? So put as much energy as the Knight of Wands into your passions, and the money and the opportunities and the financial security and the financial and physical wealth will come into your life. Doing the things that I love, like tarot and crystals and teaching and doing things online, I feel so blessed because I'm able to do online workshops and talk about the things that I love, that excite me, and that I'm passionate about. And it turns into a sustainable income. And for the last 2 years, I don't feel like I've been working. I feel like I get to play all day, and that is an amazing feeling. And that is what the Knight of Wands is that doing your passion and being passionate is about making physical wealth and prosperity because you're doing the things that you love. Be the ruby. You are the ruby. Get a ruby. So Saturday the 19th, the tarot card is the Lovers, and this is it's about sexuality, energy, divinity, and networking. So network with the people who are on the same vibration as you. If you want to become a certain type of person, start hanging out with those people. Start going to those meetups. Start going to those conferences. Start going to events. Going to expos. If you want to become a fitness person, if you want to become a holistic person, if you want to become a more active person, start finding the different kinds of expos and events where those people exist, and go to them, and then you will start raising and balancing to their vibration, and you will become like them, and you will find and that's when you will find your perfect partner. That's when you'll have fun. That's when you will network and find opportunities and alignments that will work. It's totally an awesome Saturday. And the crystal card that corresponds with that is amazing. It is Desert Rose, which is about your solar plexus, which is about your personal power and taking the strength that you need and the energy you need to achieve the things that you want in the real world. And Desert Rose is about confidence. It builds self-confidence to help you find yourself and release what you don't need. And sometimes you need to have confidence in order to go and network and meet the people that you're supposed to meet. So the thing is, what do you love most about yourself? So what do you love most about yourself that you can share with other people? Think about it. So the last day, Sunday the 20th, and in Canada, it's Victoria long weekend. This is an amazing weekend. It's a long weekend. I'm taking an extra day off, so I'm going to have a 4-day weekend. I don't know about you, but I'm excited. I'm going out to the trailer and the campground and going to really relax. I'm going to work on shooting videos for my workshops. I'm going to do a lot of fun things. I'm just going to relax and enjoy myself and recharge and get ready for an amazing summer and fall that are coming up, and lots of really good things are going to be happening. So the tarot card is about the Two of Pentacles. It's about robbing Peter to pay Paul. It's about balancing and trying to maintain financial regularity, but you're just constantly moving around. You're not growing it. And it really kind of brings into things that financially, are you prepared if an emergency comes up? Probably not. You just keep moving around, and just the thing is that it really calls into action that you really need to become more financially responsible and think about saving and being more prosperous than just getting by. So the crystal card that corresponds with Sunday is about lapis lazuli, which connects to not only your throat chakra but your third eye, and it's about peace. Encourages peace, knowledge, and the feeling that you are and have enough. And then it brings into question is there any doubt that you are wonderful? So it connects to wisdom and peace and connection to the universe. So the thing is, it's like, yes, finances are kind of stuck in a loop, in an infinity loop of like you're just getting by. But if you relax and take peace in the wisdom that the universe is going to provide for you, it's going to take care of you, and you don't even have to worry about it. So I don't know about you, but there's been a lot of really amazing crystal and tarot guidance that came up for the week of May the 14th to the 20th. I want to thank everyone who has been signing up for readings. I don't know about you, but there's been a really change in energy since the last full moon, and I had a full Monday this week of readings and people on their pathing, like releasing any kind of stuckness that they have had. I released a new workshop on Udemy, so I now have 5 workshops on Udemy. So 2 of them are free, Introduction to Chakra and Crystals, and Introduction to the 78 Tarot Cards, totally free. And then I've got the Tarot Master Certification and the Crystal Master Certification for as low as $13.99 each. That's like hours and hours and all the handouts and stuff like that you would get if you can't make it into my workshops that I have at Happy Soul. But the new workshop that's on Udemy, that's only $13.99 right now, I think this weekend. And if it's not, send me a message and I'll send you a promo code, is Spiritual Energetic Protection with Smudge, Sound, and Crystals. It's very important as a highly sensitive, energetic person that you are protecting yourself and your aura, and you're creating a defensive system of clearing and energizing your energy and keeping you safe spiritually, metaphysically, energetically, and emotionally. And you can do this in some amazing different kinds of ways in spiritual practices, and I walk you through how to do that in a really fun Udemy workshop, and it's only $13.99. Thank you everybody who has been coming into my workshops. It is all about summer school. It's coming up. We've got the 10-week Tarot Master Certification starting on June the 6th. And we've got the 4-week Crystal Master Certification at Happy Soul starting at the end of the month. And we have the 1-day Tarot Master Certification starting on the 26th of May. So I'm excited about you. There's still spots available, but sign on to happysoulonline.com and register if you're interested in going. They're all affordable prices. And if you can't make it to Happy Soul, then you can take all of these workshops online on Udemy. Please check out wargachuk.com for all the appropriate links. Thank you everybody I've gotten over 105 reviews on Udemy, and some of the stories made me cry, and some of the thank yous. Everybody keeps shooting out to my beautiful friend Snaps, who pops up into a lot of my workshops, and I used to find it really frustrating, and I used to start over my videos and try to like find ways to keep him occupied, and I realized that he is just a part of me. He is my familiar, he is my friend, and he's more the star of the show because at the end of the day, he inspires me to make really good educational videos and to do my weekly, practice of doing these free tarot and crystal guidance videos. Thank you so much for tuning into my videos. I can't wait to next week. Have an amazing week, everybody.